Imagine talking normally and suddenly your words stops coming out clearly. Your hands feel weak, your face feels strange, and you think maybe you're just tired. So you will just wait. But during a stroke, every minute the brain cells are dying. Many stroke gives early warning signs, but most people ignore them because they don't recognize what is happening. So today, I will show you 7 signs of stroke you should never ignore because acting fast can save a life. Stay still to the end because one warning sign would surprise many people. Hello, guys. Welcome back to Mrs. Wellness Diary. I'm a nurse who is passionate about helping you understand your health in simple, everyday language. So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Now, what is a stroke? A stroke happens when blood flow to the part of the brain is blocked or reduced. Without oxygen, brain cells begin to die within minutes. The earlier treatment starts, the better the recovery. Let's look at the early warning signs. Number 1, sudden weakness on one side. You may notice that one arm feels heavy, one leg feels weak, and difficulty lifting an object. Stroke usually affects one side of the body. Simple test you can do is raise your both arm. If one drops, seek help immediately. Sign number 2, face drooping. Ask the person to smile. Does one side move less than the other? The signs include uneven smile, mouth dropping, numb feeling on one side of your face. This is one of the fastest visible signs of stroke. Number 3, difficulty speaking. Speech may become slurred, slow, and confusing. The person may understand, but you cannot respond properly. Ask them to repeat simple sentences. If speech sounds unusual, act fast immediately. The fourth one is sudden severe headache. A stroke headache is often described as sudden, intense, different from usual headaches. It may come with vomiting and confusion. Never ignore a sudden severe headache. The fifth sign is vision problem. Stroke can affect eyesight quickly. You may experience blurred vision, double vision, loss of vision in one eye. Many people assume eye strains, but sudden vision change is very serious. Sign number 6, loss of balance or dizziness. You may suddenly feel the room spinning, struggle to walk, lose coordination. If dizziness appears suddenly with other symptoms, treat it as an emergency. The seventh one, which is the last but not the least, is sudden confusion. A person may appear disoriented, struggle to understand conversations, forget familiar information. Sudden confusion is a brain warning sign, one of the warning signs of stroke. Now, there is something you need to remember. Easy ways to remember stroke signs. We call it FAST. F is face dropping, A is arm weakness, X is speech difficulty, and time is call for emergency. Time saved equals brain saved. What do you do immediately you notice this? Do not wait for symptoms to pass. Let the person sleep. Give food or drink. Do not do any of those things. What you do is call for emergency services. Immediately you note the time the symptom starts and keep the person safe and calm. Who are the people at risk of stroke? Risk increases with high blood pressure, diabetes, smoking, high cholesterol, obesity, and stress. But strokes can happen at any age. Initially, we usually think it's something of the elderly, but it's not like that anymore. Stroke rarely gives a second warning. Knowing these signs means you can act when seconds matter the most. So guys, I hope you've been able to understand the 7 signs of stroke and what you should do. If this video helped you to understand stroke better, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that you will be notified when next I post a video, and also like this video so YouTube can recommend you to a larger audience. You can never know whose life you are saving. Until I see you in my next video, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.